Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make shrimp juice. First, gather about 1 pound of fresh shrimp. You'll want to ensure they are of the highest quality for the best flavor profile. Next, we'll prepare the shrimp by cleaning them thoroughly. Then, we'll cook them before blending and straining to extract all that delicious essence. This process is simpler than you might think. To begin, take your 1 pound of fresh, raw shrimp. Carefully peel off all the shells and remove the dark vein running along the back. This ensures a clean taste. Once cleaned, you can either steam or lightly boil the shrimp for about 3 to 5 minutes until they turn pink and are just cooked through. Avoid overcooking, as this can make them tough. Now, transfer your cooked shrimp into a blender. Add 1 cup of fresh water to the blender with the shrimp. Secure the lid and blend the mixture on high speed until it reaches a completely smooth consistency, with no large pieces remaining. Afterward, pour this blended mixture through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth into a clean bowl to separate the liquid from the solids. Finally, it's time to season your freshly made shrimp juice. Add a pinch of salt and a dash of black pepper, adjusting to your personal preference. You might also consider a squeeze of fresh lemon juice for brightness. This juice can be served warm as a broth or chilled as a unique appetizer. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.